Hello guys, welcome back. Let's start looking at the BTC chart. However, we'll be analyzing BTC as well as the ETH, and I'll be showing very interesting scenario for the BTC. Okay, we're on a 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look what we have here. We've been following actually this chart for nearly a week or so, and probably, oops, why that became 2. Okay, let me take it off that hole. Probably we don't need the parallel channel because we're in a range, yeah. And let's start analyzing 4 hours. Okay. I don't need this one. So what happened today is actually we've been following this since I believe around here or somewhere, went down and there, you know, fake out. Then actually yesterday's video where we were at around here, and it was around here, and it was mentioned actually that's a fake out, and we can go up to some levels. I think lower time frame support resistance is a bit like changed anyway, so it came back again that we were expecting that we may lose a higher chance. We're gonna lose lower time frame. It was a support actually here when the price was here. It was a support, right? Now it became resistance. So you see 4 hours, what happened was a huge candle and came wick, and now literally actually at major support zone. It is trying to go up. In today's Twitter, actually, once I wake up I saw this candle and I updated, and that was an update. So you can see this candle. I said no need to panic, we have been watching all-time high resistance for the last week or so. So all-time high, that you know this, it was also, and we expected that it will be hard for the Bitcoin to break it. After trying 4 times it failed. So first try, second try, third one and fourth one, yeah, 4 times it just tried. Details mentioned in yesterday's video. If you haven't watched, I would suggest you to watch last 2 days videos, 6 and 7. So we just talked thoroughly about the price action. And then it was 7 hours ago, 7-8 hours ago, and then after actually 3 hours, now 4 hours ago. By the way, if you want to follow me on Twitter, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8, yeah, at CryptoMagnate8. And after 4 hours, 3 hours I believe, I have this tweet, actually, next potential consolidation zone. Oh, but don't forget, even if we come into consolidation zone, I want to just say something. Okay, we're gonna go to the chart and then I'll explain it to you there. 8th of December, BTC, as expected in yesterday's video, BTC managed to break low time frames support zone. Now it became resistance, so you can see it on the chart. At this stage, it will be worth watching how the resistance zone, low time frame resistance, that one, now it became resistance, as I said, 19,050, 19,150 will act. Hint, follow the lower time frames to watch closely. Now I'm going to go for that hint actually, how you can just follow it. Yeah, and yeah, let's move on to the chart. As I said, if you want to follow me, follow at CryptoMagnate8. So yeah, this was actually that candle, 4-hour candle. Since then, okay, because since yesterday I was keep saying there is no volume, yeah, and I cannot see it actually. However, they should be actually. It's just started getting it. They should be within 20 to 48 hours, I believe, Thursday or Wednesday evening, Thursday time, UTC time. But within 48 hours we should see some sort of, more likely to see some sort of volatility in the market. So yes, and you can see lower highs, yeah, we've been following it, and actually we broke it. This lower time frame, it was a support. Now it's acting, it's going to act as a resistance here if we're going to reject and come back. So then what will happen is, then these zones start. Okay, we are done actually with the first box, yeah, that we were mentioning last couple of 4 or 5 days. Now actually 2 scenarios actually. BTC should do two things. Either it's going to come and reject it from here and then go inside this box, or it should do like this, and we should actually get here all-time high, and then we might have, you know, we'll just go again, we'll start printing all-time high. But however, we have to actually break this high. So what will give us is just structure gets broken. We won't print any more lower highs. Yeah, that's bear in mind. Also, one more thing, we're not in a bear mode yet, the bear zone, because we still, even if it's gonna come high time frames, that's the support now, or this yellow support, or major support too. Even if it comes like something like that, if it does, we still have, yeah, this low won't be lower than this. So bear in your mind, we still have, however, this gonna be a healthy one. So it takes some time, but that's gonna be quite healthy, and it's quite good for BTC actually. It will give you clear and direction that the next bull run actually it's gonna be a huge one. I do assume. So I'm gonna share with you something. Michael Saylor. Again, we've got a tweet actually from Michael Saylor, and what was it? Okay, yeah. MicroStrategy announced proposed private offering of 400 million of convertible senior notes, where they're trying to buy another $400 million worth of Bitcoin. So they already bought, last one they already bought over 400 million, yeah, $500 million nearly. And last one they bought a few days ago, the price was, I believe, 19,427. Anyway, it was above 19,450 million worth of Bitcoin. So now they're trying to buy another. Altogether, they're going to make their entire portfolio, nearly 1 billion, which is literally, these people are not spending their money, you know, for nothing. They know something in future. So that's what I want to share. Actually, if you're enjoying from the content, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you will get the latest top crypto technical analysis on a daily basis. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, actually, I mentioned a hint on my post, yeah? You can look at something on this one. So we're already, that you can see, as you remember from yesterday's video, gray is a 50 EMA, 100 EMA blue, 200 EMA. You can see major support resistance. Now we have a support, and then it's matching actually with the 200 EMA. And I'll show you in the next videos how the 200 EMA has been crucial for the Bitcoin, and the, you know, if you're a swing trader. Now you can see we are 4 hours. We are between 150 EMA. Let's see 2 hours. 100, 200 EMA. Yeah, that's what we call it. Consolidation. Now it's literally a 50, 100 death cross is taking place under 1 hour. When it happens, 50 crosses 100, it won't be so much hard for Bitcoin bulls to break it under 1 hour. But if that happens, probably we can just highly likely we're going to go into that box. Yeah, watch out and paying attention to that one. So let's move on to 12 hours. Let's see what is offering us to. We've been following lower highs, keep printing. As I mentioned yesterday's video, yesterday, as we said, you see, broke it, went up, came back, retested, and broke it. Again, it tried, but it failed actually after hugging quite for some time. Yeah, so that's the 4 hours. What it tells us is, let's have a look into the chart. You see, however, this is not a bear divergence, bear in your mind. And let's have a look into 12 hours. Now, in 12 hours, we're trying to create a bear divergence, and also trying to hug this 50 level. And let's have a look into a daily. What's the daily? Daily, also the similar stuff that I mentioned yesterday. Watch out, the 50 level, nothing much change. Can BTC does such a stuff? It come up here and something like that. Yeah, definitely, but we will see how it works. Yeah, let's move on to Ethereum. What Ethereum is. By the way, before we move on to this, I'm going to show you something very interesting. We're going to divide this chart in two parts. Yeah, I've got something very similar stuff. It is since May. you see, this is 23rd of end of April. We went up, slightly consolidate, boom, up again, dumped a bit, slightly consolidated here, up, down again, V-shape recovery. We entered into this triangle and then went down and consolidate, went down a bit. From there on, I'll just show you what happened then. Here again, similar scenario, went up after these two consolidations here, little, and a bit dump, went up, you see, up, same as the same scenario that you can see, and dump, V-shape recovery. We've been inside yes, this triangle. Right now we're here. I'm not saying 100% this is going to play out, however, it's just fascinating, as you know, and I will show you in details how the BTC it really loves to repeat its just previous, you know, history, the patterns. So what might happen is it's just exactly a match. If we cannot break to the low time frame resistance, yeah, and what will happen is we're going to go into that box. So that box range as well, it's something like that, so bear in your mind. So it literally matches with this one, and what will happen is we might go up like that. So let's follow closely. That's what I just saw yesterday and wanted to share with you. So see what happened since then. Up, consolidate. That's what I just love to consolidate. This consolidations consolidate. After, let's see, how long did it take? End of May all the way 20th of July. Quite a lot of time. There was some sort of, you know, pump and dump a bit, and then from there that you can see price from 9,200 euros, 12,400 plus. That's what. Watch out. And let's look into Ethereum. 4 hours. Let's talk about 4 hours. What's happening? And similar. You can see 50, 100, 200. We're just in here. We'll come back to this one later. You know, we've been following this lower highs, and it came today, same as BTC. Now you can see how the support, this after we broke the major support 1, and it became resistance. So you can see literally how it's playing out. Watch out the RSI. After it just hugged a few times, yeah, few hours, dumped a bit, tried to go up, it couldn't manage, dumped again, and then pumped. You see the 50 level nearly, and then we dumped. So yeah, watch out these levels, yeah, that's what I was just showing. And what will happen is similar. I actually took it off this level 585 and 600 yesterday or the day before yesterday's video. Then I added again because it's just coming again to play. So you see some of my if you're following like few days, you saw how the XRP support resistance played well even after 3 months. So again and again, it's just these levels comes back to you again and again. What we can just actually, you see that after we dumped, first 4 hour candle and second one is just struggling to cross the major resistance zone. Now even if it crossed, we'll have to watch out 585 and 600 level. If it manages, that means we're going to break 600 level, actually the previous high, and we may do something like that. If not, then obviously watching for consolidation. The EMAs, it's taking into account as well that you saw between 50 and 100, 2 hours, 100 and 200. 1 hour is literally, again, may happen in a couple of hours, the death cross between 50 cross 100. When it happens, like, let me show you in here. When you see such a bullish cross, 50 crosses, the 100, the yellow one always stays in between, because 50 and 200 between there is 100. So when you see actually 50 crosses above and red one crosses 200 crosses below, so that means a long signal. However, just don't rely on this one too much, because it might just you know, give a fake outs and stuff. Let's have a look into 12 hours. What's happening? Like this. Same scenario, but this is interesting, yeah? Look how it's playing. All the way 70, 50, tried to bear divergence, keep printing bear divergence, came first hug 50 level, second hug 50 level. If we're going to lose, actually what will happen is we might do something like that and try to kiss the last time. We're going to go down. So that's what we've been following. Let's see the price action. Yeah, lower highs, RSI is there in bear divergence, same as daily lower highs, nothing new, trying to print a bear divergence. We are quite far from the 50 level. Okay, if you're enjoying from the video, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you get the daily updates, technical analysis. This is all for today. Thanks for your time and watching. I'll see you in the next video.